Hello, good morning, welcome to Easy Delicious Cooking. Today I'm going to make the Greek meatballs with lemon potatoes all in one pot, and it's going to go in the oven. Amazing flavour. And I'm just preparing some of the ingredients. I've got some of the spices here in front of me. I'm going to grate the garlic, and I'm going to grate an onion as well and slice the red onion as well. And when I've got it all ready, I'll come back and I'll show you where we start and where we go. In here I've got the lemon oil, and it's basically in here is just as per the ingredients, half a cup of olive oil and a quarter of a cup of lemon juice. I'm going to put the oregano in, right? Give it a good mix. We won't be using that till later on, but it'll just sit there, and all the flavours are going to meld together. So put this aside. You can see I've started making the meatballs. The potatoes and the onions are in. So what I'm going to do now is that lemon and oil dressing that I made, I'm going to pour it in. Give it a bit of a mix. And then the next thing will be the meatballs go in. There we are, it's all done. All we need to do now is put the lid on, put it in the oven. The temperature, 180 degrees centigrade, it's up to temperature. It'll go in the oven for 40 minutes, and then I'll take it out, take the lid off, put it back in for another 10-15 minutes, so it can brown, and it's ready. Wasn't hard, wasn't difficult at all. Very basic, but the flavour is amazing. So, we'll go to the oven now, and we'll see you in 40 minutes time. Here we go, there's the finished dish. Potatoes are done, the onions, the meatballs, it's all ready to serve. And I'm going to serve this with a very finely chopped up lettuce and vinaigrette. The aroma is amazing, and let's just try one potato, see how lemony it is. Perfect, absolutely perfect. If you like this recipe and my channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button, because every little bit helps. Thank you for watching, and until next time, this is Alex. Goodbye.